Are you traveling for the holidays? Well, stay tuned for 4 tips to help you avoid germs while you're traveling so that you can have a happy, healthy holiday without ending up sick. So, my name is Cece Cheney, and this morning I was reading an article with some quick tips to help you avoid germs as you are traveling. Now, if you are traveling somewhere, whether that is a road trip or you're getting on a flight, let me know where you're headed for the holidays. Jason and I are staying right here in Columbia this holiday season. But we have been doing some little mini exploring, right? But we will not be getting on any planes. So let me know where you're headed. Now, if you're headed somewhere, these are some things that you want to pay attention to so that you do not end up sick, my friend. Number one is you want to make sure that you're sanitizing high-touch areas. This is especially true if you are someone who's hopping on a plane. Germs actually linger longer on non-porous materials like plastic, and some commonly missed places on airplanes because of the quick turnover before flights are things like those tray tables, the seat armrests, the buckle, right? I was reading about that this morning. The buckle that you use to buckle yourself in are some places that don't generally get cleaned too well, and we touch them, right? Like if you're on a flight and they're serving food and you're pulling it down, or you're pulling your tray table down so that you can work, you want to wipe those surfaces, okay? So if you've ever seen someone get on a plane and they're wiping stuff down, even the article is even saying oh gosh, I can't remember the word for it, but you know the little blind that they have on the windows? I don't know the exact word for that, but that doesn't generally get cleaned either. So if you're sitting in the window seat, you might want to wipe that down. You might want to wipe those armrests. If you've ever seen somebody get on a plane and they're like wiping stuff down with a disinfectant wipe, I used to laugh at those people, but apparently they are the smartest people on the plane because those areas are generally not cleaned very often. So you want to be careful with that. Now, whether you are on a plane or you're doing some road tripping or you don't have very far to go, if you are stopping and using a public restroom, you want to avoid some of those surfaces, okay? So simple things that you probably know, avoid the handle on the toilet, the faucet. I see a lot of people who will use the paper towel when they're done with the faucet. But do you use it before, right? If you're turning that faucet on, use a paper towel so that you are not getting those dirty germs on your hand. The other piece of that is avoid the handles on the doors coming in and out of the bathroom as well. So make sure you've grabbed a napkin or you've got something to avoid that process, okay? That's number 2. Number 3, if you're traveling on an airplane, you might want to avoid the blankets and the pillows that are provided. The article that I was reading said that if they are not delivered to you in a package, meaning they are already open, chances are that they have actually been used by someone else already. So pack your own blanket, pack your own pillow. It's going to make you feel more comfortable anyways, right? Because it's yours. And then you don't have to worry about what germy person was using it before you had the chance to. Now, the other thing that I thought was really interesting, I love hotels. They're like my favorite thing to do. I will book a staycation just so I can go hang out in a hotel. No shade to Airbnb. I enjoy that experience too, but there's nothing more fun for me than a hotel. However, experts actually say that there are certain parts of hotels that are also not as clean, right? So you want to make sure that you are wiping down the telephone in the room, right? If you're calling down a room service, make sure you've wiped that down. The remote control for the TV, did you wipe it? And the light switches, okay? So those are some places that are high touch that you might want to just give another one over, okay? So make sure, as always, that you're washing your hands, you're avoiding putting your hands to your face, and you can have a happy and healthy holiday. So those are 4 tips to help you stay germ-free or as close to germ-free as you can while traveling. If you would like 3 more tips so you can travel without getting sick this holiday season, be sure to shoot me a message and I will get that info right on over to you. And that's what I've got for you today. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to chatting with you tomorrow. Ciao.